I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt we'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the I'll stay with you through the
Walang hindi man lang dumanas kailanman, magmahal ng tapat at di man lamang nasaktan. Yan ay sadyang bahagi ng karanasan. Minsa'y nadarapa, paano mapagagaan puso mo ay buksan at sa pagpapatawad ilaan. Muling buksan ang pusong minsa'y nagtampo, mamamasdan muli ang kagandahan ng mundo. Walang hapding mananatiling nasa'yo, basta't limutin mo anumang sakit nito at ipaanod mo sa agos ng panahong tumatakbo. Alalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ang ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Kaya't buksan ang puso at yakapin mo ang kasawian man kung yan ang natakda sa'yo. Bukas magugulat ka pa pagising mo, ang kapalit nito ay ligayang ang totoo. Di ba't bawat tao ay may kani-kaniyang paraiso? Alalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ng ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Lalahanin mo ang buhay natin minsan lang, dusa't ligaya'y kakambal ng nilalang. Mahigpit mong hawakan ng ligaya't sayang, kung umalis ito'y hindi magbabalik muli. Kaya't buksan ang puso at yakapin mo ang kasawian man kung yan ang natakda sa'yo. Bukas magugulat ka pa pagising mo, ang kapalit nito ay ligayang ang totoo. Hindi ba't bawat tao ay may kani-kaniyang paraiso? Kung nasaktan ka man, yan din ay magdaraan. Puso'y muling buksan at sa pagmamahal na